How to hide game activity on Discord 2025 disable now playing. So hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide the game activity on Discord and also disable now playing. So first of all you need to come to a web browser and type Discord and click enter, and you just have to click on Discord. You can also use the app Discord on your smartphone or on your PC. So after coming here you have to click on open Discord, and here you can see the dashboard. You just have to look right bottom corner and see the settings option, user setting. You have to click on that and search for ac account privacy on the user settings. So here's the account privacy. So here you can see activity status, shadow detected activity with others, shadow activity status, rich presence and everything. You just have to disable the activity status here, and you have to click on the cross sign here, and you are good to go. That's how you hide your game activity on Discord. Hope this video helped you. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment, and see you on the next video.